Okay.
Look, 228 never looks so goddamn good. I like cheese. I ain't no rat. I like pussy, but not like that.
What does that mean, 228?
That's how much I weigh. Big girl. One time for the big
So
girl.
everything big.
Everything real big. Feet real big.
I like everything big.
You know the Energizer battery bunny? He say, you know why you don't see the motherfucker on TV no more? He say, the motherfucker stopped for a carrot break and I tore that ass up.
How you feel about the photo shoot you just did?
Okay. I don't know. I think I need to work on. I need to lose weight. Cause this shit's killing me. Look, he say Santa Claus introduced him to his wife. He said he took him to the North Pole. He said Santa Claus said. Santa Claus' wife said, ho, ho, ho. He said, I thought she was a hoe. He said, now I got a little dwarf motherfucker running around the house somewhere. He said, the motherfucker under the bed talking about, Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.